Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I know a lot of people like to watch these types of hauls. I haven't uploaded one in a while. As a matter of fact, I haven't uploaded a lot of videos in a while. With Father's Day today, happy Father's Day to anyone who's watching this, whether it be a father, an uncle, a grandfather, cousin, whatever it may be. Happy Father's Day. But that being said, I know how much you love to watch grocery hauls, so I thought I would share with you what I bought today. So this is strictly a no frills haul, and there's not a lot of price matching or couponing. They had a lot of great sales, so I thought I'd share those with you. Where to begin? Let's start off. Oh boy, let's start right here to my left. So I purchased some stevia sweetener, cherries. I'm so glad cherries are now available in the stores because I love them, but boy, are they super duper expensive. But I bought a huge bag of cherries, and if you watch one of my videos, maybe last year around this time, I bought a hitter for my cherries from Amazon, and that works really well. So if you're interested to see that video, I will link it down below, because for kids who love cherries but don't love the pits, that I found is super easy to use. Okay, so there's the cherries. I bought some green onions. I bought some green peppers. I needed to stock up on some snacks for the kids because now that they're running around, it's hot outside, they're keeping active, they also get the munchies a lot more, so I bought them some snacks. Here's some bananas. Isabella loves raisins, so I bought a package of these Sun-Made raisins, and they're the little packages there. Those are super good. She loves the fruit longs, so I got her some of those. I bought a can of diced tomatoes, some dry roasted peanuts there. And everything was primarily on sale. So I got a package of these mini popcorns, the buttery flavor, of course. These cans of chips, I bought 3. These are $1.25 if I'm not mistaken. And to me, they taste exactly like the Pringles. So I got some of those, got some of the strawberries. Got some of this Cracker Barrel cheese. This was a really good price. So these regularly retail for like $4.97 or $4.47, something like that. They were on sale, like $2 and change off. So it was, I believe, either $2.97 or $2.47. I did have a $1 coupon, so that brought it down to $1.47, which is really good. So I bought the medium. I bought the old. I bought the Monterey Jack Jalapeno and another medium over there. So that was a really good price on those. I bought some cooking wine. I bought some canola oil cooking spray. Some of these Harvest Snaps, green pea snack crisps. I love those myself. Super good. I bought some broccoli heads. I bought some of the Catelli Garden Select. I bought the garlic and onion, and I bought the tomato and basil. These were 97 cents. Fantastic deal on those. I bought some of these cracker and cheese, just little to-go snacks. Some of the Pillars Original Pepperoni Sticks. Some Roma tomatoes. Some kiwi. Some Lysol disinfecting wipes, some Kalamata olives, my favorite. Bought bacon. Some's already in the Chester freezer, so I bought I want to say maybe 6 of these. These are on for $2.97. Really good deal. We bought some organic baby spinach, and this one was 50% off, and as you can see, it's still very nice and green. Not the best, but I did buy some of these Mr. Noodles, and they have the no name for 25 cents, and I believe these were 47 cents, but I bought these. Garlic, 2 packages of garlic. You know how much I use garlic. We also bought these President's Choice paring knives. These are really good, I find, and they are made in Portugal, so I bought this gray and teal one, and I really like these. We bought some of the President's Choice Variety Pack tomatoes. These are so good. These are like eating candy for me. I just love popping these in my mouth. They're so delicious, crispy and crunchy, and it has that little crunch. Love it. I bought some of these Tide Pods. These are currently on sale for $4.47. This price I do recall. $4.47. Again, there is a $2 printable coupon off smartsource.ca. Plus, there's also a checkout 51 offer, I believe, of $2 as well. You can't combine the two. Regardless, it's a really good deal. So again, there's a $2 coupon and a checkout 51 offer of $2 as well. So those are really good stock up prices for the Tide. Can never have too much Tide. And what am I missing here? I bought 2 cases of water and I bought 2 cases of Coke Zero cans. And that's it. That was my little haul. I don't think I'm missing anything. So yes, that was my grocery haul. Again, thank you so much for watching. I promise I will be back on a more frequent basis. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. And for those who've been with my channel, thank you again so much for all your support. I love you guys. And we will talk very soon, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone.